Good morning, guys. So I'm a bit of a mess right now, so I'm sorry about that, but today I have a seminar and it starts at 10 and I have like 25 minutes till I have to leave and I need to do my makeup, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. So that is my makeup done, and now I need to open my advent calendar and then I need to go because otherwise I'm gonna be late. So it's the 5th today. Number 5's there. Oh god. Is it snowing yet? No, it's not snowing yet. I highly doubt it is going to snow before Christmas. Oh, it's an elf, if you can see that. Yeah. So I've just been in my seminar and now I'm at a meeting with my group for a presentation. So yeah, I was gonna vlog in the seminar, but then that never happened, so yeah. I feel like uni days are so boring, like, I don't know. Anyway, see you later. So I'm finally back at my flat. It took so long. On the way home I went to Greg's because I was absolutely starving. It's almost 3 o'clock and I didn't even have breakfast this morning, so, but I had a festive bake and oh my gosh, it was so good. So good. Anyway, I had a parcel to pick up from reception and I don't really know what it is. Well, I think I do. But like, this is one of those buys which was like, you know, the shops on Instagram. It was kind of like an impulse, like, oh, that looks cute, I'll get it, but it is going to take forever to come. So I can't really remember what I ordered because it was so long ago. Came from China. So yeah, I'm gonna open it and we'll see. Okay, so I have this sweatshirt that just says "Not Your Baby" on it. I'm gonna see if it fits. And then I do remember ordering this actually. I've got this top. It obviously looks really bad right now, but it's just like a cami top with like a fur trim around the edge. So, I mean, hopefully these fit, but I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. Well, I'm doing it on my own and the fire alarm just went off. It like went on and then it turned off like 2 seconds later. This happened before and it just kept going off and going off and going off because there was something wrong with it. So I hope that doesn't happen this time because oh my god, it gives me a bad head. But I mean, I have to go in like 3/4 of an hour anyway, so it'll be fine. Hope that the fire alarm doesn't keep going off. I missed it on camera as well. I missed it. I missed like something interesting that happened in my day. Of course. I just missed it again. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to keep this camera recording just in case. Okay, so just ignore that you can see my t-shirt and the messy background, but this is the jumper and I'd forgotten that they had like sleeves like this. I don't really know what to do with it though. Like, should I tie these up in like bows? Because I feel like it's a little weird, them just like hanging there, and I think something is supposed to happen with them. But I like it, so that's good. I'm just going to take a book back to the library and then I'm going to go to my meeting because I'm a course rep for my course this year, which is basically just like students' feedback to the course people, like the lecturers and that. And yeah, I have a meeting for that, but I need to take the book back to the library first, so it's going to be on this lift.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
There was someone in the lift.
Going down.
Awkward. Okay, so I'm home and I've eaten some food and I've been on the phone to my boyfriend for a while, and now it is, where's my phone? Now it's 6 o'clock and I need to get ready because I'm going to meet some friends, because we're going, I'm not 100% sure what we're doing, but I think we're going on like bar crawl type thing, not sure, but anyway. So I'm going to my friend's flat and then we're going to a different friend's flat, and yeah, but anyway, I need to get ready for that. I'm supposed to be like dressed up like a superhero, but I don't know what I'm gonna do for that, so I'm just gonna wear something, I don't know. So yeah, I need to get ready for that. And I'll bring you along, but it's something I want to try because I went to Tesco on the way home and bought some Smirnoff Ice because Smirnoff Ice is just the best. But I also bought some smoothie and I wanted to see whether it tastes good or disgusting to have vodka mixed with smoothie. It's probably going to taste disgusting, but I want to try it and see. My room is such a mess right now. That is absolutely disgusting. It's so strong. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with this now. I feel like if I put less vodka in it, then maybe it'll be okay. I don't know. Well, okay, I'm never doing that again. Why did I use so much of my smoothie? Okay, anyway, that was a bit off topic, so I need to get ready now. So yeah. So I'm just gonna like touch up my makeup. I can't be bothered to like redo it all, so I'm just gonna like touch it up a bit, maybe add some eyeshadow. Okay, so this is a quick outfit of the night. Once again, ignoring the mess in the background. Sorry about that. So, this top is from Misguided. My jacket, which says "Don't Look Back" on the back of it, is from White Rose, which is a chain of charity shops, like in Nottingham. These are Topshop Journey jeans. I will be wearing some like basic Primark, like sneaker type things. And this bow is from Urban Outfitters. And yeah, that is my look today. I was gonna not take this jacket, but then I thought I was gonna freeze to death if I didn't do that, so yeah. Oh, I've got lipstick on my teeth. I always get lipstick on my teeth. So until I have to leave, I'm just gonna do some editing of Monday's vlog. Monday's vlog. Yeah, so I have that to do. Then I didn't vlog yesterday, so hopefully Monday's vlog will be up tomorrow and this vlog will hopefully be up Friday, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see, but I mean hopefully. And I'm eating hula hoops, so I'm literally just about to leave. So all clips from now on will be filmed on my phone if I actually do film anything, because I am not taking my camera with me So yeah, I'm sorry about that. See ya.
Everyone. Oh, hello subscribers.
I'm KSI. I've got 1 million subscribers.
I'm Jake Paul. Jake Paul.
Subscribe because you're shit.
Oh, Jake Paul said he subscribe. I'm Jake Paul.
Okay.
Jake Paul.
Okay.
The sun doesn't